Hi, I'm Leo.
And I'm Poppy.
Welcome to quiz time. Are you ready? Let's go!
Question 1. What are they building? Answer. Snowman. Can you guess the word? Answer. A rainbow. Question 2. When a puppy grows up, it becomes a... Clues. A horse. B, a dog. C, a donkey. Answer. A dog. Question 3. What fruit is this? Answer. Watermelon. Question 4. If you mix blue and yellow together, what colour do you get? Clues. A, purple. B, banana. C, green. Answer. Green. Question 5. Who is this? Answer. Giraffe. Question 6. What is Leo doing? Answer. Reading. Question 7. What season of the year is this? Clues. A, spring. B, winter. C, autumn. Answer. Autumn. Question 8. What day comes after Sunday? Answer. Monday. Question 9. What sound does a donkey make? Clues. A, ee-aw. B, moo. C, meow. Answer. ee-aw. Question 10. Who is this? Answer. A penguin. Question 11. Where is this? Answer. The beach. Question 12. What time of day is this? Answer. Night. Question 13. What does a tadpole grow into? Clues. A, a butterfly. B, lizard. C, frog. Answer. A frog. Question 14. What sport is this? Clues. A, swimming. B, football. C, skateboarding. Answer. Swimming. Can you guess the word? Answer. Toothbrush. Question 15. What weather is this? Answer. Rainy. Question 16. Who is this? Answer. A snake. Question 17. What sea creature is this? Clues. A. Starfish. B. Dolphin. C. Blue whale. Answer. A dolphin. Question 18. What is Poppy riding in the park? Clues. A. A motorbike. B. Skateboard. C. A bicycle. Answer. A bicycle. Question 19. What time is it? Answer. 8 o'clock. Question 20. What do chickens give us? Clues. A. Pineapples. B. Milk. C. Eggs. Answer. Eggs. Question 21. What is this? Answer. Fridge. Question 22. Which room is this? Clues. A. Kitchen. B. Bathroom. C. Study. Answer. The bathroom. Question 23. What do you take to school? Answer. Backpack. Can you guess the word? Answer. Sunflower. Question 24. What vegetable is this? Clues. A. Carrot. B. Broccoli. C. Watermelon. Answer. Broccoli. Question 25. Who is this? Answer. A lion.
Well done, everyone. You were amazing. See you next time.